Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file in a chat using Microsoft Teams Essentials. Sharing files in Teams is one of the most important parts of collaborating effectively, enabling a seamless exchange of information and resources, whether you're working remotely or sitting in the office. Through the simple process together. First, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft Teams account so you have full access to your chats and files. If you're unsure how to log in, just visit the Teams portal and enter your details. Once you're signed in, you'll be welcomed by the familiar Teams interface, your hub for communication and collaboration, complete with chats, meetings, and channels. Now, to share a file within a chat, open the conversation where you want it to appear. Since you might be part of multiple chats, take a moment to select the right one to avoid sending documents to the wrong place. Inside the chat box where you usually type messages, you'll notice several icons beneath the text field. One of these is the paperclip icon, your tool for attaching files. Click the paperclip and you'll see a few options. You can upload from your computer or choose a file from OneDrive if you're using cloud storage. For this tutorial, let's focus on uploading directly from your device. This option is perfect for quickly sharing documents, spreadsheets, or images saved locally. After clicking, your computer's File Explorer will open. From here, browse your folders and pick the file you want to share. It's important to choose a format your recipients can easily access. Once selected, click Open, and Teams will begin uploading the file into your chat. When the upload is complete, the file will appear in the message box, ready to send. Before you hit the Send button, it's a good idea to add a short note or instructions. This gives your recipients context, such as why you're sharing the document or what feedback you need. It's especially helpful for larger files or materials requiring revisions. Once you're satisfied, press Send, and your file is instantly shared with everyone in the conversation. This simple process ensures that all participants stay aligned, improves communication, and helps boost your team's productivity. That wraps up today's tutorial. By mastering this essential skill, you'll collaborate more efficiently, keep your workflow running smoothly, and make teamwork easier. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.